Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Treasure NFT. First, you will need a secure cryptocurrency wallet. MetaMask is an excellent choice, known for its user-friendly interface and robust security features. You can easily download and install it as a browser extension or mobile app. Remember to carefully record your 12-word recovery phrase and store it in a very safe, offline location. This phrase is crucial for recovering your funds if you ever lose access to your device. Once your wallet is set up, open your web browser and navigate directly to the official Treasure NFT marketplace. Look for a clear Connect Wallet button, typically positioned in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Clicking this button will prompt your MetaMask wallet to open a confirmation window. Carefully review the connection request, making sure you are on the legitimate site, and then approve the connection. Your wallet address will then appear, indicating a successful link. To buy NFTs on the Treasure Marketplace, you will need Magic tokens. Acquire these tokens from a trusted cryptocurrency exchange where Magic is listed, such as one of the top 5 global platforms. After purchasing, initiate a withdrawal of your Magic tokens from the exchange to your connected MetaMask wallet address. Always double-check the recipient address and confirm the correct network, usually Arbitrum, before finalizing the transaction. This process typically takes only a few minutes to complete. With your wallet funded, you can now explore the vast selection of NFTs on the Treasure Marketplace. Use the intuitive filters to sort by category, price range, or collection, making your search much easier. Once you find an NFT you want, click on it to view all the specific details, including its current price and any relevant traits. To complete your purchase, simply click the Buy Now button and approve the transaction securely within your MetaMask wallet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.